Hi friends, how to avoid buying shit coins in the market? Wow, did I just really say shit coins? Does that word exist? 100% yes. There are a lot of people with a middle class background like all of us who get fascinated by the returns, 100%, 200%, 1000% gains out of it. That's what we see. They hear stories from people who have bought shit coins like Dogecoin when it was just 1 rupee and now they sold it for 55 rupees. And let's say they invested 1 lakh and they've got 55 lakhs in just 2 months. It's a very attractive proposition, isn't it? But more importantly, the investors should ensure that their capital isn't washed out completely. Now, what exactly are shit coins and how do we prevent them? Shitcoin is a term given to a cryptocurrency that is absolutely useless. It is not based on any fundamental analysis. So, for example, like Dogecoin. Dogecoin was just created for fun, as simple as that. It was created as a prank. It was created as a fun tool to sort of mimic the Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. Unlike, for example, Ethereum, which really has a vision for smart contracts and etc. and other things. So as on today, dear friends, there are not one, not two, there are 5,000 shit coins in the market. Wow, really, 5,000 shit coins. Nowadays, many shit coins are just being created out of thin air to just wipe out money from the greedy investors who really want to get rich overnight. The entire trading of shitcoins happens based purely on speculation, and there is absolutely no real fundamentals behind it and no real statistics to sort of support the decision. So if you see one Elon Musk tweet would make Dogecoin go up 40%, and one more tweet by him sort of undermining Dogecoin would ensure that the Dogecoin would plummet, nosedive. So in general, you should never ever invest more than what you can afford to, and more than what you can afford to lose, so to speak. And losing your entire life savings after investing in shit coins is sheer stupidity. So how do you identify shit coins, dear friends? First, the identity of the developers is unknown in shit coins. You're trying to figure out who's the creator of this coin. We do not know. The project or vision is ripped from the existing popular coins such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. And it has very low liquidity in the trade. These are some indicators of shitcoin. Please do analyze before investing in shitcoins. Or rather Bitcoins, that's what I meant. Do not invest in shitcoins. So kindly know the difference between cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. and shitcoins. So I've recently come out with a workshop called Introduction to Blockchain Technology and Cryptocurrency. It's just a workshop for around 3 hours which gives you the ultimate basics as to what exactly is cryptocurrency and how cryptocurrency uses the fundamentals of blockchain technology and ensures that it is cryptographically secure. It is priced at a very pocket-friendly rate of 499 rupees. We go to a movie and spend 499. We have a pizza and we spend 499. So it is time to sort of upskill and spend that money on understanding at least the basics of blockchain technology based on which the cryptocurrency is, derived from. So do not miss the bus, right? Let's not miss the bus. Blockchain is the biggest revolution after internet. So you can just check below. All the details are given. You could definitely watch the first video as a preview and understand what's in store for you. So dear friends, let's upskill. Let us invest where the fundamentals are strong. Please do not buy shit coins. Thank you so much.